It is hereby declared that the production of the said content is meant for non-commercial, scholastic, and research purposes only. We admit that some of the content or the images provided in this channel's video may be obtained through the routine Google image searches, and few of them may be under copyright protection. Such usage is completely inadvertent. It is quite possible that we overlook to give full scholarly credit to the copyright owners. We believe that the non-commercial, only for educational use of the material, may allow the video in question fall under fair use of such content. However, we honor the copyright holder's rights and the videos will be deleted from our channel in case of any such claim received by us or reported to us. Yes, please be online. I am sharing it. Yes, student. So last session we have done with the margins. We have completed the margins, core margin, extreme loss margin, and mark to market margins. So now today we'll go with the early paying of securities. You do have your Demat account. In certain cases, early paying is possible, pay and payout. Positions for which early paying of securities is made prior to securities paying deadline are exempt from the margins. Where you opt for the early paying API, those securities will be exempted from the margins. The API is allocated to clients having net deliverable positions. It's not about the speculation, it's not about the intraday, it's about the net deliverable positions. On a random basis, if the member has not provided allocation of securities of API to specific client, and buyers or sellers fail to do so, they have to pay the penalties. But yes, early paying is possible when only deliverable securities are traded. So, procedure for making early paying of shares. Members can make the early paying of securities through either of the depositories, that is NSDL and CDSL. In capital market, members can make early paying only in respect of settlement type N and W. In NSDL, members have to deliver the securities to their securities pool account and execute irreversible delivery out instructions. Irreversible means you cannot step back, you cannot take it reverse. Irreversible delivery out instructions through their depository participants for the particular settlements. You have to give in written instructions. आप लोगों के पास पहले डीमेट बुक आती थी, शायद आप लोगों ने देखी होगी। डीमेट अकाउंट के लिए जैसे पासबुक या तो चेकबुक जो होती है उनसे थोड़ी बड़ी होती है, चेकबुक से थोड़ी बड़ी होती है। उस हिसाब से एक बुक आती है, आप लोगों ने देखी है डीमेट की, जिसके बेसिस पे आप ट्रांजेक्शन्स कर सकते हो। आपके शेयर्स जो है वो किसी को दे सकते हो, एक अकाउंट में से दूसरे अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो। सो सेम लाइक दैट एक इंस्ट्रक्शन नोट जो है वो आपको डिपॉजिटरी पार्टिसिपेंट्स को देनी पड़ेगी फॉर अर्ली पेइंग ऑफ द securities. In CDSL, members have to transfer the security in the CDSL early paid account in specific settlement number and market type. In SDL में आप डायरेक्ट इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे दोगे, it will work on. But in CDSL आपको CDSL का जो early paying का account है वहाँ पे वो ट्रांसफर करनी पड़ेगी in advance so that they can go for the early paying for the procedures. To open separate early paying account with CDSL, members are required to send a request to prescribed format to NS. The market type of provide API of securities at depository like regular market, regular normal, it will be considered as settlement type N, and trade for trade will be considered as W. So market type NSDL, in normal trade it will be normal, in W it will be trade for trade, and in CDSL it will be rolling normal because you have to submit your securities well in advance to their pool account. It will be considered as rolling normal. So to place an early paying instructions on depository interface, members have to check process with their depository participants. Member have to reconfirm the same if the trade amount is far high, if the quantity is the bigger one, or if is there any bulk bill or block bill, then they have to re-verify the same with the depository participants. NSCCL fetches EPA instructions, early paying instructions from depository interface and provide the benefits of same to the members at regular intervals. So when one says, when one says that I would like to go for the API, NSCCL will do it with the help of depositories, NSDL or CDSL. And same early pay will be executed at regular interval. It won't be like that, it will work on T plus 1, T plus 2 and so on. It will work on that regular interval basis, and as it is EPI, early paying, they will get their securities well in advance into their Demat account or pool account or into their own securities account. Then allocation of securities API to specific client. For example, we do have HDFC AMC with us, and they would like to go for the EPI options. So that HDFC AMC's account will be a specific account where every securities that will take place for the trading purpose will have early pay default early pay. A facility is provided to all members to allocate early paying of securities to specific clients. Like if they are the well-known one, if they are the HNI, high net worth investors, if they are the foreign institutional investors, and so on. But at the same time, the past track records and the funds availability matters a lot. Members have to upload client allocation file. Members have to upload client allocation file as per described format through CIM module. Through CIM interface using MEMI/securities API. The file contains details such as security, series, client code, client number, quantity to be allocated. These are the things that you have to fulfill in the prescribed format. Members to take care of providing the information correctly. You cannot use, uh, other tools to recorrect it. Once you have written, that's fine. For example, if member wants to execute a block deal, EPI allocation file should mention series as BL. BL stands for block deal in the specific record. In the specific record. So then the files are fetched and processed at regular interval by NSCC. A file with wrong naming convention is not accepted for processing. It will be rejected. So make sure name must be correct. A file with error in header record or error in all record will be rejected. And guys, एक बार ये ट्रेड यहाँ पे reject होता है, then it will become a question of your reputation. So they are very much precise and specific in this regard. तो मेजोरिटी यहाँ पे सिक्स सिग्मा अप्लाई हो सकता है कि वहां पे ट्रेड्स काफी कम रिजेक्ट होते हैं. रिजेक्ट जो होते हैं वो सफिशिएंट फंड ना होने की वजह से रिजेक्ट होते हैं, अदरवाइज दूसरा और कोई रीजन नहीं होता है. If a file is rejected, member has to rectify the file and upload with same batch number. Upon successfully processing, the client file NSCCL provides written file on extranet service in CP download folder, providing details of successful and rejected orders. You can say the records. The successful records are appended with S and rejected is with R. मैंने आप लोगों को बोला था कि अगर किसी के पास those who are right now connected with any broking firm and they are working there, तो ये मॉड्यूल अगर हमें एक बार दिखाने के लिए मिल सकता है तो काफी अच्छा होता. आई हैव ट्राइड बट somehow not able to do so. तो उसमें ये सब रिपोर्ट्स डाउनलोड कहाँ से होते, क्या ट्रेड्स, जैसे मैंने आपको एक बार उस स्क्रिप्ट का दिखाया था, उसका मार्जिन मनी वो सब उसके बारे में मैंने आपको दिखाया था. तो दैट आई गॉट, मैंने आपको बिल भी दिखाया था. सो वो सब तो मैंने आपको दिखाया. बट ये जो इसका जो एंटायर मॉड्यूल है, जैसे हमारा पोर्टल है, हमारे पोर्टल्स में कई सारी चीजें, मारवाड़ी का जो पोर्टल है वैसे ही ये इसका जो स्टॉक मार्केट का जो रहता है एनएससीसीएल का, उसमें कई सारी चीजें जो है वो आपको जानने को मिल सकती है. प्लीज बी ऑनलाइन, लेट मी ट्राई ऑन यूट्यूब, इफ आई गेट इट प्लीज बी ऑनलाइन, लेट्स शो यू. वो एक्चुअली काफी अच्छा रहेगा, एक प्रैक्टिकल थोड़ा आपको देखने को मिल जाएगा ना, तो इट विल बी गुड फॉर यू। बट somehow we don't have anyone's login ID or password to do so. So let me check on uh, YouTube अगर मिल जाए तो। Please be online. I am searching. Well, good for us. I'm trying, but somehow I'm not getting. But we'll definitely show you how it works. Somehow, from somewhere, I will try to get it and will show you. Because जब आप एक बार वो पूरी process देखोगे ना, then it will be quite easier. It will be quite easier for you to understand as well as write down those things in the exams also. So definitely we'll try to find it out, maybe by tomorrow or maybe in the next week. By the time, let's continue with this point only. So upon successful processing that we have discussed, that S or with R, and members can verify the benefit received in early paying allocation reports, CEP downloaded along with written file in members extranet in CEP download folder detailing the early payments made by the members and received by the NSCCL. It's all about the reports that one to download. Members can also modify the allocate client and quantity details by uploading a revised file with incremental batch number. यहाँ पे batch number जो है वो change हो जाएंगे. The old quantity will get updated with the revised quantity. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि क्वांटिटी में प्लस माइनस हो जाता है. पहला ट्रेड जो है वो ब्लॉक डील में अगर 10 लाख शेयर्स का हुआ है तो उसमें 5-7 शेयर्स प्लस माइनस भी हो सकते हैं, डिपेंड्स ऑन द सेलर. So till NSCCL receives EPI of securities from depository, no benefit is provided to member. डिपोजिटरी जब तक ग्रीन सिग्नल नहीं देगी तब तक एनएससीसीएल जो है वो अर्ली पेइंग नहीं करेगा. एक भी बेनिफिट मेंबर को नहीं मिलेगा टिल डिपॉजिटरी कंफर्मेशन नहीं देती है. once depository will give the confirmation to NSCCL, NSCCL will go with their process and later on benefits will be provided to the members. Please be online, students. हाँ मैं आती हूँ ना. Sorry for the inconvenience, class. So till depository कंफर्मेशन नहीं देगी, NSCCL जो है वो कोई भी बेनिफिट्स मेंबर्स को पास ऑन नहीं करेगी. फर्दर मेंबर कैन डू Further, member can do PPA of securities before trade, such that no margin is levied on execution of trades. For this purpose, before execution of the trade, members has to also provide details of clients to whom such early paying is allocated well in advance. It's a matter of finance, it's a matter of securities. So it should be informed well in advance. Before placing such orders, members shall check that the client EPA instruction is successfully processed or not. अगर वो प्रोसेस नहीं हुआ तो भी आपका जो ईपीआई है वो रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा. इसके लिए आपको ईपीआई एलोकेशन रिपोर्ट जो है वो देखना पड़ेगा. If member wants to remove the EPI benefit given earlier to a client, a record needs to be sent in the subsequent file with the revised quantity as 0. अदरवाइज तो जो क्वांटिटी होगी उसका अर्ली पिन हो जाएगा, E+2 पे वर्क नहीं करेगा, अर्ली पिन हो जाएगा. सो ये अगर बेनिफिट विड्रॉ करना है, ये सामने वालों को बेनिफिट ना मिले तो वहां पे क्वांटिटी जो है वो 0 करनी पड़ेगी एंड इंस्ट्रक्शन भी देना पड़ेगा. Where the quantity is specified for a client is 0, the client will become eligible for the random allocation, regular allocation. Whenever and wherever allocation is specified by the member for a client, security settlement type, settlement numbers, EPI is specifically allocated to that client irrespective whether the client has any outstanding sell position or not, and such clients are not considered for random allocations. Even if the client is allocated excess EPI, the excess will not be considered in the pool for random allocation because it's specially allocated to that particular client. वहां पे अगर एक्सेस ट्रांसफर हो गया तो भी उसको वापस पूल अकाउंट में नहीं लिया जाएगा. Where the member has to provide EPI for his proprietary position, he has to specify client code as his member code, and specific client has to provide EPI for his proprietary position, he has to specify client code as his member's code. वो बाहर गया. Specific client level EPI should be given only for all open settlements. Details for uploading client file for EPI is given below. Here you can read this. So utility and CIM. Now the next one is early paying of funds. हमने बात की थी early paying of securities. Now we'll go to the early paying of funds. In case where early paying of funds is made, such positions for which early paying of funds is made are exempt from the margins. जहाँ पे ये clarify हो गया, so they are least concerned with the margins. So let's see the procedures for making early paying of funds. Members custodian have to first provide funds from their primary clearing bank account. वहां पे पैसे होने चाहिए, most important. Primary clearing bank में पैसे होने चाहिए, sufficient fund जो है वो होना चाहिए. So members custodians have to first provide funds from their primary clearing bank accounts. Then member custodian has to provide request for early paying of funds in CI through menu funds EPI. The funds EPI request can be provided from 8 a.m. to 4:15 p.m. till T+1 basis पे ये आप कर सकते हो, but in majority cases अगर EPI है same day it will be executed. Members custodian have to select the settlement type, settlement number and bank and enter the amount of early pay in. जो स्टॉक्स है सेल किया है बाय किया है जो भी है उसका जितना एक अमाउंट होता है लमसम अमाउंट मे बी यू कैन एंटर और मे बी द परफेक्ट फिगर यू कैन आल्सो एंटर whatever the amount you have to enter. On submission of the request, the same is forwarded to the respective bank for the confirmation. And once banks give the confirmation, the same fund will be transferred to the member's account. The benefits for the same is provided on confirmation of funds by respective clearing bank. The confirmation of funds CPI request by the bank can be between from 8 a.m. to 4:15 p.m. till T+1. But majority it will take on the T day itself, transaction day itself. Members, custodians can view the status. Yeah, bank will give the confirmation and then only it will be transferred. After that only. Members, custodians can view the status of the early paying request made on same screen. On confirmation by the bank, the status of the request changes as accepted and majority in 99.99% cases it will be accepted by bank. And the benefits of early paying of fund will be provided to the members. Excess EPF fund is released on settlement day. Excess जो भी हुआ होगा प्लस होगा माइनस होगा जो भी होगा that will be released on the settlement day itself. Settlement day T+1 T+2 भी हो सकता है. In case of offer for sale, EPI of funds in excess of order value and for unallocated bids is released on E day by end of the day. Then procedure of allocation of early paying of funds. What are the procedure for that? Members can allocate funds EPI provided to specific clients and client security. Allocation of early paying of funds is optional, not compulsory. It's optional. It depends on your congenial terms. So members, custodians can provide the allocation details through screen-based or file upload facility as per prescribed format, and the same can be done in the CIM module from morning 8 to 4:15 p.m. till T plus 1. They used to write T plus 1, but it will be done on the T basis only. Early paying instructions files are fetched and processed at regular interval by NSCC. उसका timing रहता है 10 बजे, then 11 बजे, 12 बजे, then after 2 and something. According to that, on the regular interval basis, NSCCL will fetch the files. The allocation can be done at a client level or at a client security level if early paying of funds is to be allocated. Allocated against a specific client or security combination. Specific client है आपका कोई high net worth investor वाला, so that early pay is possible in certain cases. In case where the member wishes to avail the early paying of funds benefit before execution of trade, the members has to compulsorily provide client security level allocation in such case. ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट हो उनसे पहले अगर अर्ली पे इन चाहिए तो वहां पे वेल इन एडवांस में authority should be given to the custodial participants. The member has to compulsorily provide client security level allocation in such cases to custodial participants. Before placing such orders, members shall check that the client's EPA instruction is successfully processed from the written report provided. Members, custodians can delete or revise allocation details through the upload of revised file or screen-based facility. In case of upload of file, the details provided in the file upload or write the existing allocation details stored in the system. अगर वहां पे कुछ changes है तो आप उसको rewrite करोगे or write करोगे and then later on again it will be stored in the system. And later on new file will be considered for the settlement only. Uploaded new file, overwrite file जो है वही settlements के लिए consider की जाएगी. Where the members, custodians has provide client security allocation benefits for early paying of funds is allocated to the net by position of the specified client symbol combination, and any residual amount after such allocation is not utilized for other positions. अगर आपके यहाँ पे अर्ली पेइंग हुआ तो जो सिक्योरिटीज आपने उसके अलावा भी अगर कुछ एक्सेस अमाउंट है तो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूटिलाइज सच अलोकेशन टू क्रिएट अदर पोजीशंस, other buying positions or selling positions and so on. Where the members, custodians has provided only client-wise allocation, the benefit of EPI of funds is allocated in the descending order of the security wise, net by value under the client, and any residual amount after such allocation is not utilized for other clients. It will be fixed, it will be specific for a particular clients only, for a particular number of clients only. This benefits is not for every client. Where the members, custodians has provided early pay of funds, but no allocation request is provided. Early paying के लिए आपने वो किया है, but request provide नहीं की, process नहीं हुए, then benefits of EPF fund is allocated to the clients with net by position value in descending orders. And उसमें आपका जब नाम आएगा तब आपको random basis पे early pay मिलेगा. Details for uploading client fund EPA instructions file is as below. This is how you can upload it. So yeah. Okay, class. So then the third point, procedure for making full pay of funds on settlement day itself. We'll start with this in our next session. So we'll keep up to this only. That's it for the day. Thank you so much, class. Enjoy your day. Thank you. Please write your name and enrollment number in the chat box for attendance purpose, and then you may leave.